We'll guide you through how to make your iPhone flash for text, calls, and notifications. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really cool feature. So what you can go and set up is when you go and get a call, text, or notification, the LED flash will go and start flashing. So you go and have your iPhone down like this, and you'll go and know you get one because it will go and start flashing. It's a great way, and I think it's one of the best alerts out there, as it's just so obvious you've got something to go and respond to. So we can actually go and show you this working as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and get an incoming call on the phone, and you'll go and see that it's going to go and start flashing, as you can see. So to go and set this up, it's much easier than you probably think. So what we need to do is go and open up the settings app on your iPhone, go and locate it. As you can see, it's just here. Now what we need to do is we need to go and scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for accessibility. So you want to come into here. Now in here, there are quite a few different options. Make sure you pay attention closely, scroll down, and you want to come into the hearing section. And in here, you need to go and find the option for audio and visual. So you want to go and tap in here like so. Then in here, you need to go and scroll down, and you're looking for the option for flash for alerts. Keep watching, as there's some important settings you need to know. So come into here. Make sure flash for alerts is turned on. You can then choose if you want the LED flash, the screen, or both. In this case, I just want the LED flash, but you could try both, see if you like that. And what I like to do is go and have these two turned on, flash while unlocked, and also flash in silent mode. So it'll still flash if it's in silent mode and while it's unlocked. You may want these turned off, and you can go and set it up for your liking. And then with that turned on, you can then go and test that it's working by getting a call or notification. If you haven't got another phone, perhaps you can get someone else to go and test it for you. So you can go and see, I'm calling the phone here and it's now flashing. It's that simple. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to help you again with more guides in the future. We post guides every single day, so I'm sure you'll find something else you'll go and find helpful. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below.